So what do you do when a fish doesn't take your dry fly? We've been fishing this big blue beetle here, and we've caught a few nice brown trout, but we came up into this riffle and the fish were actively feeding. They were feeding on a hatch. Well, we tried the beetle. We stayed back, but carefully put some casts over those fish, and they didn't even come and swirl at it. They were not interested in that beetle. So what do you do in that situation where you've got a rising fish and they don't take your fly? Well, the first thing is you try not to disturb the fish, and then you back off. So you get back downstream so that you don't spook the fish, and let them settle down. See if they continue rising. If they don't continue rising, maybe you spooked them with your cast. But if they do continue rising, then get back out of the way, let them settle in, watch them for a while, and change to a different fly. We're gonna go to a smaller fly, maybe a little caddis fly. We've seen some caddis flies on the water. So we're gonna try a small caddis fly and see if that makes a difference. It's amazing sometimes how just being observant and switching to another fly can make a difference.